Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool Amazon here, and basically what this is a huge speaker that's from the brand right here. If you can see for the packaging, the product is pretty big, but it's open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So inside we do have a protection layer, and right inside we do have another box. So let's take that out first. So once you guys take out the box, this is basically what the product looks like inside. So pretty much inside there's another box, if you can see right here. And the speaker itself, it is pretty heavy. But you can see for this one, it is called a StormBox Blast. They mentioned the sound that's on here is really powerful since it is 90W. And then for the speaker, it does have the built-in LED. So that way when you guys do use it, it's basically like a party speaker. And for this speaker, they mentioned how it's waterproof. So if you guys get water on here, it should be fine. And they mentioned the battery life that's on here when you guys do use it. You guys can use it for around like 30 hours. But right here is basically what the package looks like when you guys do get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So when you guys do open up, this is basically what the inside looks like. So we basically have the speaker and the little box. Let's take out the box first. So inside this box right here, it looks like they provide you guys a cable that's in use to recharge the product. And then right next to that, they do give you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And that is basically everything that's included in this small little box. Now let's show you guys what else is inside. So the last thing inside is the actual speaker. If you see the size of the speaker, it's actually pretty big. But let's take out the wrapper first. Once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So top part right here, we do have the brand name, Tribit. Top part right here, we do have a few buttons. So there's a power button, Bluetooth button, minus and plus button, circle button, which is probably like the play and pause button. Right here, we do have the LED light button. And here we do have an X bass option, which is probably like the boost bass option. Vent part right here, we do have the speaker or the driver, etc. On the side right here and this side as well, we do have the LED light. The bottom part right here, we do have the brand name. And then both sides right here, and this as well, is probably the base. And the back part right here, you may see we do have some more stuff. If you guys do open it, that is basically what the inside looks like. So we do have an aux-in option. We do have a slot for you to plug in cable to recharge it. And right here, we do have a USB-C option that is used as a power bank to recharge your phone or something if you guys do want to. And then once you have it done, you guys can close it back up. So that way none of the water can get inside, since it is waterproof or water resistant. And then for the bottom part right here, you can see they do have like the non-slip material. So that way when you guys put it on a flat surface, it won't move around, which is pretty cool. And then for the top part right here, you can see we do have a handle for you to carry around really easy. But basically, you can see the product works as a boom box option. Before I just test it out, let me plug in cable to show you guys how to charge it. So let's do plug it in. Once you guys do plug it in, you can see for the top part right here, it does turn red. So that is basically how you guys know when it's charging. I'm assuming once it's fully charged, that lets you turn off or change a different color like green or something. I believe for the speaker, you do have the option to use it wired or wireless. So let's turn it on first. So as you want to turn it on, you basically want to press and hold the button. If you can see the light that's on here is pretty cool. It does light up and slide, and also in the middle part right here as well. So right now we still have connected. If you guys unplug the cable, you can see it still stays on. So the product definitely works wired or wireless. Now let's try the power bank option in the back to see what actually works before I test out the speaker. So right here I do have my USB-C cable. If you guys do plug it in, once you guys do plug it in, the other side I want to plug it onto a phone. So right here I do have my phone. If you guys do plug it in, you can see it does work. So currently it is charging my phone. And if you guys connect to Bluetooth, let's test it out to see how it actually works. Alright, so we got connected. Let's play a non-copyrighted song on here. You see how when you guys play music on here, the light in the middle, it does follow the beat of the music, which is pretty cool. But if you can hear the audio and bass on here, it's really powerful. And when you guys do feel it on the side, you guys can definitely feel the bass on the side right here, which is pretty cool. But now let's try out some of the buttons on here to see how it works. So we'll try to increase and lower the volume first. Alright, so that works. Now let's try to turn on and turn off the light. So let's do press on this button. It basically allows you guys to turn on or turn off the light and change the different mode on here as well. Like if you guys do press it, that is 1, and that is 2. Now let's try the last button on here, which is X bass. So when you guys turn on the X bass button, basically what that does is it increases the bass like I mentioned. So if you guys want more bass, you can press on that button. But if you guys want less bass, you can press on that button, turn it off. And for the speaker, if you guys get two of them, you do have the option to use TWS to pair both of them together, which is pretty awesome if you guys want to get that surround sound or the high quality audio for a party or something. And if you guys want to skip the song, go back to the previous song, you basically want to tap this button 2 times or 3 times. Let me test it out. Alright, so you see that definitely does work. And if you guys ever need to reset the speaker for whatever reason, if something malfunction, what you can do is to press the plus and minus button and press and hold it for 5 seconds. And that should help you guys reset it if you guys do need to. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality boombox speaker that isn't used for a party, at home, in office, or anywhere else, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.